starting with the core. There are two types of cores used. The CIS capsule, which is a lubricated and replaceable core. It has an elongated nozzle that surrounds the needle, preventing it from puncturing the air chamber. And the removable core, which is also replaceable and allows for replacement in case of air leaks, extending the ball's lifespan. Well folks, in practice, how do I know if the ball has the CIS capsule? The first thing you should notice is if it's written here around the core. Second, if it is green in color. Only the national Pinot balls have the CIS capsule in green. When inserting the needle, go ahead calmly. There's no need to lubricate because it is already lubricated. And the last part of the CIS capsule in the core is that it is replaceable or exchangeable. So, when you notice that the ball is deflating, it doesn't necessarily mean the ball is punctured. It could be leaking through the CIS capsule itself. In this case, you can take and do that old soap sponge test, like when we changed the gas cylinder. You apply the soap sponge right here on the CIS capsule and identify if it is leaking. And if it is leaking, I will now show you how to replace it. In the core extractor, you will take this side with the little tip and insert it. Insert it all in. Once it's fully inserted, gently tilt it to the side and pull it out diagonally. You removed the CIS capsule. Take the replacement capsule and place it in the hole. With the other end of the extractor, you will push the side parts until everything is inserted. After you have inserted it, take a utility knife and trim the CIS capsule so that it is exactly flush with the surface of the ball. As you saw folks, the needle does not exceed the limit. And here I have an inner tube from a generic ball, from another brand. It doesn't matter which one it is. And I'm going to do the same thing. I will insert the pump needle here, all the way to the bottom. And when I inserted the tip of the needle, observe here. Oops, it punctured the material. And this is the risk you might face when inflating that ball that's already deflated in your store. In other words, be very careful when inflating. Not all balls are penalty. Oh, and remember that all penalty balls that have this label here, what does it mean? It says, do not deflate none of the penalty balls. With a label, you can deflate them because they are fused, meaning the seamless penalty balls, when you leave them in that shape, deflated, you can deform the ball when inflating. Therefore, during trips, movements, keep it fully inflated with this spherical shape always.